too much. 32.
Big legend.
A big legend.
Learning with Landon.
Let's go around.
The 6-year-old about to be 7, so I'm about to have to change your name, right? Learning with Landon, the 7-year-old. All right, there we go. What we got going on today, learning with Landon?
We about to I'm about to ride my dirt bike, my electric dirt bike.
Electric dirt bike.
This the color. It's green, black, all that color.
Green and black. So you got a green and black. What kind of dirt bike is it? What is it called? What's the name?
Razor SX500.
Oh, I thought you was gonna forget that. You remember that, huh? Razor SX500, and it's an electric dirt bike. All right, come on, come show the kids how to start it up.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Learning with Landon. About to be learning with Landon, the 7-year-old. You gotta get something to drink. All right, go ahead. All right.
It's like 100 degrees out here. That's
I
hot.
know it is hot. I'm telling you. That's why we gotta hurry up so I could come back and eat some of this McDonald's.
I feel it, but
I know.
sweat.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, let's put this down here. Come on, let's go. Big legend. You about to play baseball? I know you about to do what you about to do, huh? Come on. Let's go.
Right.
Come on, big legend.
Let's go. Still on charger. This is my dirt bike. This how you move it. This how you cut it on. This right now is OFF right now. And me cut it on, it will be ON.
Yep. OFF off, ON on.
Yeah.
All right.
That's my sight words, that's my sight.
One of the sight words. Ooh.
So guys, I have to say it yourself.
All right.
So this how you cut it.
About to turn it on.
About to turn on
All right. All right.
Then this how you cut it on.
Oh yeah, full charge.
Full charge.
Watch out, big legend. Watch out. All right. Let me see what you gonna do. You gonna walk it out?
Yeah.
All right.
It costs a lot of money.
How much it cost?
It's a lot of money. Mine didn't told me, but
But you
cost
go-
in the boxes.
But you know it costs a lot of money, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah.
That cost in the box. Somebody you bought it. Mommy or you? Somebody had to buy it.
Oh, you took off, huh? Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up. You forgot to put your kickstand up. Look at you. All right.
Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to tell you guys real quick the importance of you dispatchers out there, especially you guys who aspire to become dispatchers and start your own dispatching company or for you owner-operators.
Where you at? This a many move. Yeah, this is how many move. This a many move. Yeah, this is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. I do these pulling up, giving knowledge. That's what's up. This a many move. Yeah, this is how many move. This a many move. Yeah, this is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. I do these pulling up, giving knowledge. That's what's up. Hot shot stay ready to book a load. Many movement trucks seen all over the road. CEO, execute and be obsessed. Running miles every day, keep me free of stress. Travel in your own lane, there isn't any traffic. Moving quick and strategic, gotta secure the package. Gotta take it and make it more than what it's worth. I came up from the bottom, used to be in the dirt.
Hey guys, what's going on when me and my baby brothers eating McDonald's?
It's a hot day out here, too.
Yeah.
Woo.
It's really hot. It's sweaty right now. My baby brother. Guys, y'all want to say hi? Just give me a little thumbs up on my video. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Tell me to give him a thumbs up, big legend. Yep, thumbs up. Yep,
Thumbs up. Guys, remember y'all gotta give me 31 subscribers in March 16th. I gotta be on 31 subscribers in March 16th.
Your birthday coming up.
Yeah, my birthday is 7 days. I will be 7. So in March 16th, give me a thumbs up. Y'all remember on the other video y'all watched it? Give me a thumbs up. So yep. on March 16th.
On March
Look.
16th, get his joker a thumbs up.
Basketball. Baseball. And basketball. This is my motorcycle right here. Ooh. That thing look nice, do it. Ooh. Ooh. That bad boy nice. Ooh. So guys, that bad boy nice. So, have my hand out the way. But look at my shirt. I am clean out here today. That's Miss Two right here. Guys, you think that's snow up there? You think that's snow? You think that's snow up there? I don't think so. What's going on? So guys, what's going on? It's that right here.
What's happening? What's going on over there?
Look,
Watching Learning with Landon. Who out here watching Learning with Landon?
it's probably It's
I
probably
need y'all
EJ.
to
They
be
my
watching.
friend EJ.
EJ, I need y'all to start watching Learning with Landon.
Is somebody watching my video, EJ, or other people else? I don't know. EJ better.
What about Eli? You think Eli watching your video?
Nope. I just don't think I know. Me and Eli have the same game, Roblox.
You on Roblox?
Yeah. All right, guys. So I do have it. This is my dirt bike.
What's up, big?
Stop. It's off right now. Right there, it's off. I am on the dirt bike. Right here. I am on the dirt bike. Oh, that's too close, guys. Guys, if y'all read this right here, come over here. Read, guys. Read that. Yeah, kids, y'all can go at school and read this. That's what y'all need to read.
So just show them how much torque this electric dirt bike. Yeah, some torque. Show them. Oh, look at that torque. All right, take off on. Whoa!
Hey guys, what's going on? This will be the end of the video because at 2 o'clock it's going to be raining. Right now it's 1:25 or 1:26. So I got to ride my dirt bike. It's going to be the end of the video. Y'all click that bell and subscribe to my channel. 32 words.
What happened, son?
Big Legend, press the thing.
Oh, Big Legend, stop. Stop doing that. Stop doing that, Big Legend. Alright, come on, son. You gotta finish your video. Stop. Stop doing that before you break it. Joker landed and took a spill. Big Legend hit the gas on him. That Joker failed. Dang.
That was funny. Y'all click that bell. Give me a subscribe. Hey, Big Legend, what you do that? But that's why not gonna have no YouTube channel. Guys, y'all like this video? Give me a thumbs up. Then click that bell. Peace out.